Hello everybody. Right, a quick engine update. I won't be using that anyway, but I've just stripped part of the engine and it was never looked after. Just look at that. Oh, lovely, absolutely lovely. And that's what happens if you don't change your oil. It goes all yuck, and then it don't do bugger all, mucks up the engine, which is here, and that is absolutely thick with just crap. Look at that. So it's going to take an intense clean, but first I'm just going to take the cylinder heads off and check everything's okay. Obviously it will need rings and everything, but if there's any wear on the crank or in the main bearings or anything, that's it, scrap. So we'll see. Shame. And broken bolts, rusty bolts, which is why you should always put copy slip on your bolts. Don't matter what they are, put copy slip on them, unless they're not supposed to have, but there you go. Anyway, car's turned round, so at least I can work from the engine this end. I made that the back plate for the rear bit on the bed. I'm just waiting to get some bits made up for strengtheners inside. So all the wax oiling's done underneath, and I just put the wings on because I was curious to see what it looked like. Couldn't remember. It's been so long. Done all the seam sealing everywhere that I could find. I'm sure it's still going to leak, but there you go. We'll worry about that when the time comes. I've done some under seal down there because that's really where water collects, and I've put holes in the floor so that any water can drain out, and I've done all inside the wings everywhere. As you can see down Europe. I just wanted, and this is that black paint I've got for the bed liner. It's quite good actually, it's quite nice. It feels nice and it's got some sort of grip on it. Bit of grip, which would be good. So, and that the bed liner will be done with that. So easily to touch up and so on. So that's apart from that centerpiece, which I've got to make, and the fuel tank. I've still got to make that. I'm just waiting to get up to the chaps and get it bent up and ready. So the casters on my trolley fell to pieces again, so I've ordered some even stronger ones, and I think I've realised putting that one over there in the middle is the wrong thing to do, so that one's not going to be there anymore. But this time I've ordered, the last ones for 4 casters was 600 kilos, so, and I had 6 casters, which technically is 900 kilos, which is just about a ton. Well, this don't weigh a ton. Not, I mean, it only weighs 1.3 ton when it's all, everything's on it, and they still fell to pieces, bloody pieces of crap. So I've ordered 1 ton ones this time, and I'm not going to put those in there. I'm only going to put them on the ends here, and see how we get on. So anyway, that's something else. So there you go. That's a little bit of an update. So I'll take the engine apart some more and see how we get on. I'll see you later. Cheers. Right, hello everybody. Just a quick one. Got the engine in, done the engine mounts. I've got to do the gearbox mount. Can't do that till Monday because I haven't got any more steel. And pop up the road. So just figuring out where it is. Looks tiny in here, doesn't it? But anyway. And it looks like there's going to be plenty of room to put the headers in, so that's good. There's all the stuff, and that's the back panel, the back floor panel that I finished. Just got to be primered and painted. Right, and at the moment I thought I went up to our friends up at Acton the other day, yesterday, and helped me bend my fuel tank for welding. So that's what I'm just doing that. I've checked it in place and it looks like it's going to fit quite well, and there should be quite a fair bit of fuel in there, I'd have thought. Not sure how much, I'll have to try and figure it out. Soon find out when I pour gallons of water in it to find out whether it's sealed or not. But anyway, what I'm going to do is this is technically upside down. It's going to be the other way up, so I should put some baffles in to stop, you know, sloshing, and I want to see if there's enough room between the floor and the spare floor, the one that I've just showed you that I made. And then what I'm going to do, if there is, which I hope there is I'll make a hole here and raise it an inch or so, so that the fuel pickup can sit in there. So no matter what's happening, there's always fuel in the pickup. So that's the plan. And the sender, and then the fuel inlet pipe's got to go on one side, and the pickups can go in the top or the side, whatever. Anyway, shan't put the the base on just yet. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'll put you down for a minute, and I'll just do a little bit of TIG welding. Excuse my hand in front of the camera. Let me just put you there, and I'm just going to weld up this one of these corners. And, do that. Right. Which one was I doing? Attach the ends together. And, a nice tight fit, so I don't need any filler. Sorry about that. sorry about the light, a bit difficult to see. Anyway, that's the idea, and once all the corners are done, I'll fill it with some water and make sure everything's watertight. Anyway, cheers for now, I'll see you later. Alright, hello everyone. How's everybody doing? I can't remember what are we on. Is this 9 or 10? I've completely forgot now. Anyway, right, fuel tank, which I've been making. Yarn fuel sender. Obviously this is the bottom. So plates in to stop boshing around. Bit of baffling. Holes to let the fuel through. Blah de blah. All that malarkey. So that will be that way in the pickup. This is the back, and the fuel tube has got to go here, which I've got. This is the old one that was on it. I've got some pipe round the side, so that will have a neck there for filling purposes. And there's the breather pipe, or the air pipe, that'll be in. I've got to find some smaller, well, probably just a tiny bit smaller than that, metal pipe for the pickup and the return. So which will go somewhere in the middle. And then what I'm going to do, this is the bottom piece. I'm going to cut a hole out, roughly here. Cut a hole out, put a inch and a half step for the pickup tube to sit in, so it's always sat in fuel, if you're with me. So don't matter where you're going around corners or whatever, it'll always be sat in fuel. I need to see how much distance I've got between the pickup at the bottom of the tank and the floor of the pickup, but I can raise it because I've got to put pieces of metal on here for it to sit on the rails in the car. So anyway, so that's that. It's very dark. It's what, 20 to 8. That's done. Oh, the engine that I had, I stripped that down. Was it yesterday, the day before? And it's a basket case. It really is a basket case. It's completely knackered, which is really depressing. Pain in the bum. Wasted a journey to Birmingham and 200 quid. So just give you an idea. Where did I put them? Did I put them in here or not? I can't remember now. I forgot what I've done with them. So much junk around. Anyway, yeah, bodywork. Filling, sanding, filling, sanding, filling, sanding, filling, sanding. So that where I've done the indicator blanks, they've come out well. So more filling, sanding, filling, sanding, filling, sanding, filling, sanding. Right, that's that. What did I do with that? I'm just trying to think what I did with that. Might be down the bottom actually. Anyway, I'll take it down and show the car. Sorry, it's very dark, but I'll put some lights on, or at least some light of some description. I've contact. Where's the old cable? Here we go. I've got a cable here somewhere, which comes to a light plug, which I'm stood on. Where's the light plug? Right. Let there be light. Right. On car. Missed a bit. Going that typical. Change the light and it just shows up what you missed. So, oh my god, I've missed a lot. Loads and loads. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Done the underneath, done the front, that's all done. I've finished my new tailgate bed plate, so that's going in. And again, filling, sanding, filling, sanding, filling, sanding, filling, sanding, and I've done the bed liner. I'm not doing that in there because, well, it's don't get seen. And I'll put tie down hooks in. So that's that bed liner paint. It's rough. It's got a rough texture. So that'll all be then that'll just be covered up when I come to paint. More filling, sanding. I've got to watch some of these places because these were filled with lead from the factory. That one, this one, I've had to put filler over the lead because when I sprayed the undercoat it reacted instantly and it all bubbled. So I've got to be very careful. I've got to put some more filler on where the lead's been put. Not something you can really get out. There's some more here. You can actually see it if you can in different lights. It's lead, and there's some there where the roof originally would have joined in the factory. That's lead. So I've got to put filler there and do that. So yeah, that's ready to go. All good. Okay. See you later. See you on the next one. What I'm hoping to do soon is start putting the undercarriage and everything back on. I'm going to order the wheels and tyres tonight. Oh yeah, here's the engine. I'll give you a demo, a quick look at what I found when I pulled it to pieces. 60 years of not ever changing the oil. And that's got all through the galleyways, the oilways, blocked everything up. I should have took the rocker covers off when I went to have a look at it. If I'd have seen that, I'd have said thanks mate, see ya. The engine's completely like that. I know you can't really see it, but this is absolutely caked solid. And oh, here's the camshaft knackered, which I would have had a new one anyway, but 10 5 piston rings are more expensive to buy than standard 935s, and they don't come in the kits that they do. This is the valve rocker shaft, and these are worn down so badly. This was absolutely full of just crap and crud. No oil could have been getting through at all, none whatsoever. So it was run with basically no oil getting to the heads, and it's absolutely knackered. There's a massive step there, and it's all ridged, so those are knackered. No one could use them again. So it's beyond really economical repair, to be perfectly honest. So anybody wants some bits for a V8 Rover V8 engine? The block seems to be okay. The crank, I measured the crank and it's within spec. It's still got some life left in it, but I had to hammer the hydraulic lifters out. They wouldn't come out on their own. I had to hammer them out. So that's no good whatsoever. Anyway, there you go. You learn, you live. Put it down to experience. So right, cheers for now. See you later, and be good everyone. Ta-da.